Who is the father of our nation? Mahatma Gandhi. Who was the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who is known as father of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? Answer is skin. Gidda is the folk dance of Punjab. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which is the heavier metal of these two, gold or silver? Answer is gold. Who invented computer? Answer is Charles Babbage. 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte. Brain of computer is CPU. India lies in which continent? Answer is Asia. Which country are the Giza pyramids in? Egypt. What city is the Statue of Liberty in? New York City. How many cricket World Cups does India have? 2 cricket World Cups. Name the first 3 planets in our solar system. Answer is Mercury, Venus and Earth. Which animal called the river horse? Answer is hippopotamus. Which is the most speedy growing tree in the world? Answer is bamboo tree. Which Indian was honored by Nobel Prize for Literature? Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. What is the coin of England? Answer is pound. Which insect can fly so long? Answer is dragonflies. Which country is called the land of thousand lakes? Answer is Finland. Which bird can fly backward? Answer is hummingbird. Which animal has the longest lifespan? Answer is Tolstoy. How much kg elephant eat a day? Answer is 700 kg. Hindi Day is celebrated on 14 September. Full form of land local area network. How many planets are there in our solar system? 8. Where does the President of United States live while in office? Answer is the White House. What color are the stars on the American flag? Answer is white color. If you freeze water, what do you get? Answer is ice. What's the name of a place you go to see lots of animals? Answer is zoo. How many legs does a spider have? Answer is 8. 8 o'clock in the morning is 8 a.m. or 8 p.m. Answer is 8 p.m. Which way is anti-clockwise, left or right? Answer is left. What color symbolizes peace? Answer is white color. The largest democracy in the world. Right answer is India. Can a hippopotamus run faster than a man? Yes. Which bird cannot fly at all? Kiwi. Which bird is famous for its waterproof feathers? Answer is duck. Which is the cleverest animal in the world? Answer is chimpanzee. How many bones do we have in our body? Answer is 206. Which vitamin we get from sunlight? Answer is vitamin D. July 1st is celebrated in India in honor of which professionals? Answer is doctors. The source of atmospheric oxygen is? Answer is green plants. The deepest ocean of the world is Pacific Ocean. Kanchenjunga National Park is located at Sikkim. How many cards are there in a complete pack of cards? The answer is 52. Global warming is caused by the excess of which type of gas? Answer is carbon dioxide. How many Cricket World Cups does India have? Answer is 2. During which year did World War I begin? Answer is 1914. Stars and Stripes is the nickname of flag of which country? Answer is United States of America. Which instrument is used for measuring wind speed? Answer is barometer. What makes up approximate 80% of our brain's volume? Answer is water. Which is the biggest desert in the world? Answer is Sahara Desert. Which is the hardest substance available on Earth? Answer is diamond. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Answer is barometer. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? Answer is ear bone. What is the largest joint in the human body? Answer is knee. Which language is used to by the computer to process data? Answer is binary language. Which is the coldest location on the earth? Answer is East Antarctica. What does the SIM in the SIM card stands for? Subscriber Identity Module. What does a caterpillar turn into? The answer is butterfly. Who was the first man to step on the moon? The answer is Neil Armstrong. How many states are there in the India? Answer is 28 states. Paper is obtained from which plant? Answer is bamboo. Which is the tallest statue in the world? Answer is the Statue of Unity. It is also known as Indian gooseberry is a rich source of vitamin C. Answer is amla. What do we call the doctor of teeth? Answer is dentist. Geeta Fogart is related to which game? Answer is wrestling. How many players are there in a cricket team? Answer is 11 players. Name the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi. Answer is The Story of My Experiments with Truth. How many degrees are in a circle? Answer is 360 degrees. What is a group of peacock called? Answer is muster. What type of plant is a tomato? Answer is herb. Which country's national game is Kabaddi? Answer is Bangladesh. Who was the first president of United States? Answer is George Washington. What is the chemical formula of water? Answer is H2O. How many strings does a violin have? Answer is 4 strings. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? Answer is wireless fidelity. Which kind of animals can live both in water and on land? Answer is amphibians. Which theory is related to the origin of the universe? Answer is Big Bang theory. Who is third citizen of India? Answer is Prime Minister of India. MS Excel is an example of. Answer is application software. What is the most important for living things to live? Answer is oxygen. What is the minimum age to become Prime Minister of India? Answer is 25 years. What is the maximum period between two sessions of Parliament? Answer is 6 months. What is the location of pinna in human body? Answer is outer ear. What is the name of tallest grass of the world? Answer is bamboo. What is the full form of HTTPS? Answer is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. What is the name of Indian Peninsula? Answer is Deccan Plateau. What is the name of Indian desert? Answer is Thar. What is the name of India and Pakistan border? Answer is Red Cliff Line. What is the name of colored part of human eye which is controlling the light passing through the pupil? Answer is iris. What is the name an animal that only eats plants? Answer is herbivore. What is the freezing point of water? Answer is 0 degrees centigrade. What is the full form of NASA? Answer is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Who is called Shakespeare of India? Answer is Kalidas. What is the food item of silkworm? Answer is mulberry leaf. What is the edible portion in onion? Answer is stem. What is sodium chloride commonly known as? Answer is salt. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें